G'day, today we're going to head up to beautiful Montville to Baroon Pocket Dam and have a fish for a couple of bass. Yeah. Going to pick up a mate along the way. He reckons he's a pretty good fisherman, so we'll hit the road and see you up there. Picked up our pro fisherman.
No beers, nothing to drink.
The Garmin showing
The bottom.
12.6 metres of water and no fish stacked. Not too bad a picture, a little bit of glare. Beautiful Baroon Pocket Dam. The rods are swimming. Couple of kayakers. Got a fish, babe. That's right.
Really? Probably caught me. Gabe, you're going to have to get the net for this one.
Oh, there's your bass.
Charlie's stuck in the net. He has a net with holes in it. There we go. Fish of the day. Possibly the only one.
Beautiful.
Alrighty.
Got a whopper. Lost your seeing.
Maybe it's gone. Back.
It came back. Yeah, need Gavin to net this one for you.
Need that for it.
When he sees the boat he can run, yeah, that's good. Have a look under the water, we'll see. What are you going to do with him?
You're going to do with it.
Number 3.
I like that lure, isn't it?
I might have to move to that steering more, you know.
That's the station is
Oh, apparently. What's wrong? No steering.
no electric.
No electric.
We're just back with the tide.
Drifted back with the tide.
Here he is, guys. Go.
Whoop.
Here he is. Another fat one.
What is it?
This one,
Yeah.
fat. And look at that.
What is that?
4.
Well done.
One in now.
How'd you go, Babe? How many did you catch? 4.
I got 4.
Not a bad effort. How'd you go, Gab? 0? And I think I got 1. Not a bad effort. So there you go. That's beautiful Baroon Pocket Dam.